In this screencast, I will share with you how to create your own talking avatar video using the web-based tool Voki, Voki.com. Voki has 4 different tools: the regular Voki, Voki Classroom, and 2 newer tools called Presenter and Teach. Clicking on the Pricing tab, you can see the different features and costs of the tools. I'm going to be using the first one, the Voki, the free tool, and so you would click the Get Voki link to sign up. Again, it doesn't cost anything, and you just give your email address and create a password and sign up. In the free version, you can have access to about 200 different avatar characters. The premium paid-for versions have additional characters. You can have an audio message in your video where you actually record a message using a telephone or a microphone, and that can be up to 60 seconds in the free version. And in the paid-for versions, you can get up to 90 seconds or unlimited, depending on which version you get. There's also a text-to-speech function, and in the free version, you get up to 600 characters. Now just be aware that the Voki Classroom and Presenter, etc. offer additional features where you can create student accounts and manage student projects within their interface. So Voki really caters toward educators. So you would create your own account. You can click that register button at the upper right, or off of this pricing page, the Get Voki Free button. I'm going to log in. Now Voki runs Flash, so you will want to make sure that your Flash player is installed or updated. If it is not, you will get a message in this left area here of the screen telling you that you need to install or update your Flash player. I am currently using the Firefox browser, and you can see that Voki is intended for non-commercial use, so the example that I'm going to show you is for an educational purpose. For additional ideas of how to use Voki, you can visit the voki.com/lesson_plans.php page. This is their search area to look at lesson plans that other educators have put together, and there will be sample Voki videos in a variety of subject areas and grade levels. And if you teach beyond K-12, you might get some ideas for how you can use the same kinds of activities in maybe a corporate training or a higher education context. You create your video by clicking the Create tab, or from the My Voki tab, you click Create a New Voki. So you can see I have a couple of Vokis in my account that I can access and edit or share, get the links to. So I'm going to create a new one to demonstrate the different features of Voki. So do be aware of the labels that say when they're only available, the characters are only available in Voki Classroom and Voki Presenter. You will want to find a character that doesn't have that is a free character. And you can look through the different characters. By first clicking the Choose Your Character button. The characters are in different categories. You can choose edgy to get a punk-looking character, animals, anime, all different options, tunes, and then you can customize different things about your character, such as hair, mouths, clothing, bling like jewelry and glasses. And you can change different colors of the makeup, mouth, eyes, skin, hair, and the size of those features in the tweak and color areas. If you click on the dice, it will choose a random character, although it might choose one that's in one of the premium versions. So I'm going to switch it back to one that is free. It will also show you which ones are in the premium versions by having the graduation cap on the little thumbnail of the character. So then we can give our Voki avatar a voice. We can call in, again, up to 60-second recording. We can type in or paste from Word or another word processor. We can use a microphone to record. I'm going to show you how to do the text-to-speech option. Taking a sample of text from Word so that I can see how many characters I'm using. So I've got 529 characters. That is below the 600 character limit. So I copy this text using keyboard shortcut and paste it into the text area. And then I can choose what accent or language I would like it read in and what voice. The other options that are available are changing the backgrounds. Again, like the avatars, they are organized into categories. And so you can choose one that fits the content of your video. And try to choose one that works with the video and is not too distracting. And then you can change the frame that your video appears in, the player. They have different colors, and you might choose one that matches your video a little bit better. And then you click the Publish button. Give your Voki video, or scene as they call it, a name. And then you can copy the link, noting that it will incorporate the size of your Voki video into the link. So by default, it is showing the medium size. Notice how the link changes. So right now it shows a height of 267 and a width of 200. if I change it to large, you can see how the link changes to height of 400 and width of 300. And for a small size, it would go down to 133 and 100. So I would just copy this link, and I can, if I'm a student, submit it to the instructor, or if I'm wanting to share this via social media, I can share the link, or I can use the embedded social media buttons to share it to Facebook and Twitter, etc. There's also some code if you have a blog or a web page that you want to embed this video in. And then you'll notice that your video can be accessed within your My Voki area. So if you want to go back and edit your video, you just go to My Voki, click the edit button, and it will bring you to that interface where you can customize your character further and adjust what the character says. So let's see what the character video looks like.
The preview clip 2 generation M contained a large number of copyrighted images, video, and audio clips from Victoria's Secret, popular magazines, television shows, movies, and professional musicians. This video.
So I paused it there, but that gives you an idea of what your finished product will look like.